Alright, it's gone. Alright, we need to kill this bird.
Not so close.
Don't fucking drop my fucking camera, are you fucking crazy?
It was close.
I feel really bad about doing this, but you know what? You gotta do what you gotta do. How many pumps?
I don't know.
Alright.
I can't look.
Just make sure you got it on it.
I'm scared. Didn't die.
What the fuck?
What?
I just popped that bird straight up in its fucking head. And it's just looking around like, nothing's wrong with it. I only had one baby. What am I supposed to do? Dude, its legs broke.
He broke its leg then.
No? I thought I fucking just shot that thing right in its fucking head.
I'm so
Fuck. Alright, stop that.